Today, we're diving into 15 career paths that can lead you to wealth and fast. Each of these careers has its own unique opportunities, challenges, and earning potential. We'll cover why each career can help you get wealthy quickly, what makes it lucrative, and the prerequisites needed to break in. Let's get started. This is Wealth Velocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. Investment banking is a well-known path to wealth. Investment bankers help companies raise capital, take businesses public, and handle large financial transactions. It's a high-pressure, high-reward career that's ideal for those who thrive in fast-paced environments. Investment bankers earn large salaries and significant bonuses, especially when they work on high-stakes deals. Success in this field often comes with hefty commissions and performance bonuses, making it possible to accumulate wealth quickly. A degree in finance, economics, or business is essential, and top investment banks often recruit from prestigious universities. An MBA or CFA certification can further boost your credentials. Be prepared for long hours and intense work environments, but the rewards make it worthwhile. Software engineering has become one of the most in-demand fields, especially with the growth of technology across industries. Software engineers develop everything from apps to enterprise systems, making it an essential role in tech. With high demand and a shortage of skilled engineers, salaries for software engineers are exceptionally competitive. At top tech firms, engineers can earn six-figure salaries, and many receive stock options or equity in the company, allowing them to build wealth even faster. Most software engineers have a degree in computer science or a related field. However, coding boot camps are also an alternative if you want to get started faster. Proficiency in popular programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++ is critical, and continuous learning is essential as technology evolves. Real estate development involves buying, improving, and selling properties for profit. This career is known for its high earning potential, especially in growing markets. Developers can make millions on a single project if they invest wisely and time the market right. Real estate tends to appreciate over time, and developers can earn large profits by purchasing undervalued properties, improving them, and selling at a premium. Commercial properties and luxury real estate often provide the highest returns. A background in real estate, finance, or construction is helpful. Real estate development is capital intensive, so having initial investment capital or access to financing is essential. Knowledge of market trends and zoning laws is also crucial for success. Entrepreneurship is one of the most flexible and rewarding paths to wealth. Successful entrepreneurs can scale their businesses rapidly, especially in high-growth industries like tech, e-commerce, and services. As an entrepreneur, you control your business's growth and profit potential. Many entrepreneurs achieve significant wealth by creating value in the marketplace and scaling their companies. The opportunity for wealth is particularly high if you can build a business that attracts venture capital or scales globally. A strong business idea, market research, and access to capital are critical. Skills in leadership, sales, and marketing are also vital, as is the ability to adapt to changes in the market. Experience in your chosen industry is an asset, though not mandatory. Medical specialists, especially surgeons and anesthesiologists, are among the highest paid professionals due to the skills, knowledge, and responsibility required. While it takes time and dedication to qualify, the financial rewards are substantial. Medical specialists are paid well because of their extensive training and the critical nature of their work. Many specialists work in private practice or high-demand specialties, where salaries are in the upper six-figure range or higher. An undergraduate degree, followed by medical school and residency, is essential. Specializations like surgery require additional years of training. The process is lengthy and competitive, but leads to high earning potential and job security. Data science is at the forefront of decision-making for companies. Data scientists analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights, making them invaluable in industries like tech, finance, and healthcare. Data scientists are in high demand and short supply, so salaries are competitive. With bonuses, stock options, and career advancement opportunities, it's easy to see why data science can be a fast track to wealth, especially at major tech firms. A degree in data science, statistics, or computer science is ideal. Skills in Python, R, and SQL, as well as familiarity with data analysis tools, are essential. Machine learning knowledge is a valuable asset in this field. Corporate lawyers, especially those specializing in mergers and acquisitions or intellectual property, can earn substantial salaries. The field is demanding, but pays well for those who excel in negotiation and legal expertise. Corporate lawyers often work on high-stakes cases and transactions, which means they can charge high hourly rates. Large law firms offer lucrative salaries and bonuses based on billable hours and successful case outcomes. A law degree or JD and passing the bar exam are essential. Specializing in corporate law or IP law, especially at a prestigious law firm, can accelerate your path to wealth. Gaining experience at a top firm is beneficial for reputation and earning potential. Private equity professionals invest in private companies, aiming to increase their value and eventually sell for a profit. Private equity is high risk, high reward, making it ideal for those with a sharp eye for investment opportunities. Private equity deals involve large sums, so performance bonuses and profit sharing are substantial. Successful private equity professionals accumulate wealth quickly through deal success fees and equity stakes in the companies they invest in. A background in finance or an MBA is common in private equity. Investment banking experience is often a stepping stone, as private equity firms value candidates who understand complex financial transactions and valuations. High-ticket sales roles, such as in real estate, luxury goods, and enterprise software, offer high earnings potential because of the significant commission structure. These roles are ideal for people who are persuasive, driven, and love closing deals. Salespeople who can close big deals can earn 6 to 7 figures annually through commissions. Since many of these roles are commission-based, there's no earning cap, so high performers can earn considerably more than base salary. Strong interpersonal communication and negotiation skills are essential. Some industries may require specialized knowledge, like in real estate or enterprise software, but most employers provide training. Engineers in the oil and gas industry, especially those working offshore, are compensated well due to the demanding nature of the work. The energy sector offers robust salaries, particularly for experienced engineers. The industry's profitability allows for high salaries and bonuses, especially for engineers involved in drilling and exploration. Many roles also come with perks such as housing allowances, travel allowances, and substantial overtime pay. A degree in petroleum or chemical engineering is typically required. Offshore experience and certifications in safety and risk management can accelerate career growth. Hedge fund managers manage portfolios with high-risk, high-reward investments. Hedge funds aim to maximize returns, and those who succeed are well compensated. Hedge fund managers often earn through a 2 and 20 fee structure, 2% of assets under management and 20% of profits. For successful managers, this structure can generate massive income. An advanced degree in finance, economics, or an MBA is common. Hedge fund managers usually have experience in investment banking or trading before joining hedge funds. Commercial and corporate pilots command high salaries, especially those with experience and seniority. Corporate pilots, in particular, can make substantial incomes while flying high-net-worth clients. Pilots are compensated well due to the specialized skills required and the responsibility of transporting passengers safely. Senior pilots for major airlines and private jet companies can make 6 figures. A commercial pilot's license is required along with extensive flight hours. Many pilots start in regional airlines before moving to major carriers or corporate fleets. Pharmacists, especially those in specialized fields like nuclear or specialty pharmacy, have high earning potential. They work in niche areas that require specific expertise, which leads to higher pay. The specialized knowledge required in fields like nuclear pharmacy justifies high salaries. Specialty pharmacists often work with high-cost medications, further driving up earnings. A doctor of pharmacy degree is required, along with licensure. Specialized fields may require additional training, certifications, or residencies. Actuaries assess risk for insurance companies and other financial institutions. They use statistical models to predict and minimize risk, making them essential and highly paid professionals. Actuaries command high salaries due to their specialized skills and the responsibility of managing financial risk. They are particularly valuable in the insurance and finance sectors, where accurate risk assessment is crucial. A degree in mathematics, statistics, or actuarial science is ideal. Actuaries must pass a series of exams to become certified, which can take several years but significantly increases earning potential. AI and machine learning engineers design intelligent systems that can learn and adapt. These roles are highly sought after as AI transforms industries from healthcare to finance. AI expertise is rare but highly valuable. Engineers in this field earn high salaries, and many receive stock options or equity in startups, especially in tech hubs like Silicon Valley. A degree in computer science or data science with a focus on AI or machine learning is essential. Proficiency in programming languages like Python, as well as knowledge in deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, is essential. And there you have it, 15 career paths that can lead you to wealth quickly. Each of these careers requires dedication and specific skills, but the rewards are well worth it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments which career path you'd like to learn more about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more money in your pocket.